Little Fox.
Cinderella, Episode 3, A Royal Message. The next morning, a trumpet blew loudly.
A royal messenger!
Stepmother cried. Stepmother and her daughters ran outside. Cinderella wiped her hands on her apron. Then she followed them. I wonder what the message is, she thought. A big crowd was outside. The royal messenger sat on a horse. He held a long piece of paper.
Ahem!
The messenger said.
This is a very important message. The prince is hosting a ball. All fine ladies in the kingdom are invited.
Several ladies said at once. Cinderella's stepsisters clapped with delight.
We're going to the prince's ball!
Gert cried. Trudy's eyes lit up.
This is so exciting!
She said.
Maybe the prince will ask me to marry him.
Gert snorted.
No way, Trudy. The prince will fall in love with me. I'm beautiful and tall.
Trudy put her hands on her hips.
Well, I'm beautiful and plump. Girls,
Stepmother said.
you're both beautiful.
A ball, Cinderella said softly. There will be music and dancing. It will be so much fun.
Cinderella,
Stepmother laughed loudly.
you're not going to the ball. You are not a fine lady.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.